Everyone, welcome back to Brain Equation. To solve the question is given 3 to the power a minus 2 to the power a is equal to 65, and we need to calculate the value of a. So we will write question first of all. 3 to the power a minus 2 to the power a is equal to 65. So in the next step, we can write 3 to the power a minus 2 to the power a in this form. 3 to the power a, we can write 2 over 2. 2 will be cancelled out with 2 and we will left with 1, so it will create no difference. So the value is same. So here we can write 2a to the power 2 over 2. 2 will cancel out with 2 and we will left with 1, and the value is same. So it will create no difference. We can write in this form is equal to 65. So in the next step, we will use a formula, we will use a rule. If we are given a to the power m bracket to the power n, it can be written as a to the power n bracket to the power m. So I'm going to use this rule here. So we can write, by using this rule, we can write 3 to the power a over 2 bracket to the power 2 minus 2 to the power a over 2 bracket to the power 2 is equal to 65. So here we will make our substitution. Let consider 3 to the power a over 2 is equal to, let's consider it is equal to x, and the other value 2 to the power a over 2, 2 to the power a over 2, it is equal to y. So now we will plug in the value of x and y in above equation. Here we will plug in the value of 3 to the power a over 2 and 2 to the power a over 2. And our new equation will become x square minus y square is equal to 65. So here we will use a very well-known formula which is very commonly used. That is, if a square minus b square is given, a square minus b square, it can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So I'm going to use this formula here in above equation, x square minus y square. So x plus y times x minus y, x minus y is equal to 65. So now the factor of 65, we will check the factors of 65. So 65 can be written as 65 is equal to 65 is equal to 3 times, 5 times 13. 5 times 13 gives 65, and the other factor is 13 times 5 gives 65. So from here we have two cases here. So we can write x plus y bracket times x minus y is equal to, in first case we will write 5 times 13. So here we know that x plus y is greater than x minus y. So we can write x plus y greater than x minus y in this case. So here if we compare x plus y with 5 and x minus y with 13, but 5 is less than 13. But we know that x plus y is greater than x minus y. So we cannot consider this case. This is wrong because 5 is less than 13. That's why we will not consider this case. We will consider the other case. So here we will take x plus y times x minus y is equal to 13 multiplied by 5. So from here we will compare with 13, and x minus y we will compare with 5. So x plus y is equal to 13. X plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. So we have two equations here. So in the next step, we will add these two equations. We will write these equations again. X plus y is equal to 13. X plus y is equal to 13 and x minus y is equal to 5. We will add them and x plus x will give 2 and plus y minus y will cancel out and 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. So from here in the next step, which implies that x is equal to, bring 2 to the left right hand side, it will divide 18 and we will get 9. X is equal to 9. So it is the value of x. X is equal to 9. We have calculated the value of x, that is 9. So now we will use this value in this equation. X plus y is equal to 13. We will plug in the value of x here to calculate the value of y. So here x plus y, x plus y is equal to 13. So x is 9 plus y is equal to 13. And from here we will get y is equal to 13 minus 9, which is equal to 4. So from here value of y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. The value of y is 4. Now recall our substitution. We know that our substitution was uh, when we substituted the value of x. Recall that value, it was 3 to the power a over 2 is equal to x. So here we will write the substitution. So recall x is equal to 3 to the power a by 2, a over 2. So x is 9. We will write 9 is equal to 3 to the power a over 2. Now we can arrange this expression. We can write 3 to the power a over 2 on left hand side and 9 on the right hand side. 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. So from here, in the next step, 3 to the power a over 2 is equal to 3 to the power 2. So because bases are same, we can compare their powers. So from here, a by 2 is equal to 2. And we will bring 2 from left hand side to right hand side. It will give 4. A is equal to 4. So the value of a is equal to 4. Now we need to verify this value. So we will use the equation to plug in the value of a to verify. So we will write the equation first of all. 3 to the power a. Let's verify. 3 to the power a minus 2 to the power a is equal to 65. Left hand side, we will take left hand side is equal to 3 to the power a minus 2 to the power a. So 3a is 4. So 3 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81 minus 2 to the power 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give 16. It will be 16, 1 6. So 81 minus 16 will give 65, which is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved the given equation, both the values are same. The right hand side is equal to the left hand side. So we can say that if the equation is 3 to the power a minus 2 to the power a is equal to 65, if is given, then a is equal to 4, which is the value of a. So it was all about this question. So it is the answer. Don't forget these steps. These steps are very important to solve this question. So here we use different steps. We use different rules, and then we made our substitution, and then we use this formula a square minus b square, and from here we use the factors. We considered two cases, and then we calculated the value of a. So it was all about this question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Bye.